Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Custom Carving and Epoxy UK, and I hope you're all doing well. And I'll be honest, this week's been a bit of a rough week for me, and I'm really glad when I got home I got a lovely parcel from Loula at Nerd Goblin Art, who's an amazing artist, and make sure you check out her channel if you haven't already. It's great to see her grow the way that she is, and she's an amazing pillar of this resin community. And I bought a couple of pieces from Mary at Resin auction that were Loula's pieces, so I wanted some of Loula's art before she gets to 1 million subscribers. So it's come today. What nicely packaged, look at that. Does not play well with stupid people. That's very Loula-esque. And I don't think I ordered this, but this looks like a little extra that was thrown in, which is that into resin turtle mold. I recognise that, just with those gem effects. And it looks like a pinky shade there. And then I think these are the pieces that I won. Not sure. We'll find out in a minute. There should be a croco, and I think there was a frog, but I don't know. We'll find out in a second. Very well packaged, Loula. Let's have a look at what we've got. I'm going to save this packaging so it can get reused. I'm guessing this is the croco by the feel of it. So here we go. And we know Loula is famous for these little crocodile caricatures. And he's got a crown on him. Look at that. Beautiful little croc. Will be worth millions one day, I'm sure, when she's got 1 million subscribers. And then the second piece, oh, it's another croc. Now, there may have been an error here, because I think I ordered a frog and a croc. But if whoever should have got, I think it was this croc, didn't, and wants to swap the frog, I'll be happy to do that. But again, cool little characters, and this is what I remember Loula when she started out for, is these cool little crocodile, gator caricatures, and they're going to go on the side of my worktop, and every time I look at them, I'm going to smile and think of Loula doing her little impressions when she talks with these. So really cool. Thank you very much, Loula, for sending them. Thanks to Mary over at Resin for doing the auction in the first place. And I'm going to treasure these forever. And apart from that, make sure you all keep on supporting each other. We only grow together. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye from her and bye from him.